Today I have with me a portable power strip charger with 3 outlets and 3 ports, and the power cord is of 5 feet, and you can use it for multiple device charging at a time. The best part is that it has a 2.4 quick USB charger, which is really great. Most of the times you have seen a lot of superchargers for mostly for Android devices. I can show you something like that. It tells you that it has adaptive fast charging. So this power strip charger has a built-in option similar to that 2.4A quick charger, which is really great. And I'm gonna check this out with my Android phone, and let's see if this works the way it is saying on the box here. I'm also gonna take everything out of the box, how it looks like. Let's do the unboxing right now. So this is how it comes, and as you can see, it's packed very good. The quality is really nice. It's all packed. This is really good. There's a function power button. I guess this is, as you can see, is overload switch, this one, and then there are LED indicators as well. Once you connect anything on these ports, you will know that the LED is gonna blink or light up. Let's see. So I'm gonna put this into my power socket and let's see the results. So I have with me a normal Samsung smartphone, and I have a data cable that I just plugged in with this power strip charger, and I'm gonna just plug it in. And since the battery of this phone is really low, you can see that the battery is really, there is no battery at all. But while we are talking, you can see that now it's showing 4%, and it's gonna grow fast because of the fast charger, which is really good. You will see in a bit that it is going really fast. So I have also plugged in my laptop here to this power strip charger, and you can see what time it is right now, and it's still charging. So I believe that this NTON power portable strip charger is really made up of a really good quality, because I have been using these kind of power strip chargers for a lot of time. But this one is a really cool charger. It's a different packing, and plastic material is really good, and also the cable is of really high quality. So I believe if anybody wants to buy, think about it before buying it, because it can destroy your electronics. And since this has a surge protector on it, so you are at least sure that your products or your devices are not gonna burn.